guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw a super easy monster. Let's get started. Okay, I have a thin printer paper, so I just put some cardboard underneath. So first, for the drawing, we're gonna draw the body. So the body is the head is the body. So technically, you just have to draw an egg. So some hair at the top, just like that, with like little, like a duck beak, and then like that. So that's gonna be his hair. Now we draw the egg shape. Just like this, an egg shape. All right, now that we got the head, we have to draw what's inside of the head. So we have to draw the face now. Okay, we're gonna draw the mouth. So we're just gonna make a sad face, kind of. But he's not gonna be sad actually, he's just gonna be kind of mad. So we're gonna draw the tongue. And if you ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, you could always pause or rewind the video. Like this. Kind of looks like an angry bird right now. All right, now you could draw this, that separates the tongue. All right, time for the eyes. He's gonna be so mad that his eyes are gonna be so open that he is like, his eyes are gonna be overlapping. So first we gotta draw the cheeks. The cheeks are technically our guidelines in this situation. So a cheek like this, and a cheek like that. Kind of looks like a duck, like the eye and the beak, but not once we draw the eyes. So let's do the bigger eye first, so we'll know where, so it won't be as confusing to overlap it. It's just a circle, and don't draw underneath the cheek thing. And now we could do the other circle, like this, and like that. All right. Now we draw the eyes. You could put highlights in them, like this. All right. The eyebrows, he's gonna be really mad, so we're gonna tilt his eyebrows like this. Same with the other one, but this one's gonna be completely like that. Now you can color them in, just like this. So one eye is raised because his eyes is so big, now the other one's lower. So now he can have like little belly, like this, like this. So now, well, a lot of monsters have horns, so let's draw horns. Just draw a curve like this, a flipped over C, like that. Then same one here. And now draw an actual C, and then round at the top and draw a C. So that's the horns. All right. We could draw the hands because the hands are gonna be overlapping the tail, so it would be easier if we do the hands first. Draw a triangle for the inside of the hand. Now, the arm, well, I'm at the inside of the arm, but like Yeah? So you could just round it out like that. So it's a triangle with a triangle around it. And then you could draw a lump here. That's going to be the beginning of his hand. Then draw his fingers. Just like this. Same on the other side. Draw a triangle like this. Then draw another triangle around it. Then you could draw your fingers whatever direction you want. You can make them do like a rock symbol if you want. Just like this. He's sticking his tongue at you because he's mad at you. So now for the tail, I'm just gonna draw a line that kind of almost like a spiral, but then just leave it like this, and then connect it to the top of your finger. There, like that. For the feet, we're just gonna draw straight lines like this, 2 straight lines like this. This kind of looks a little funny, so we're gonna fix that. Draw 2 more lines that are like halfway of that, and then the bottom lines are gonna extend really, really far. And then you can make a bump like that. Just like this. All right, this part is optional. You can, if you want to, you can draw little spots like this. Or you can make them big or little, doesn't matter. However you want to. You could draw circles, you could draw stars, you could do whatever you want. Like, you could draw humongous circles, for example, like this. Like, that's a humongous circle. Then right on his forehead. All right. I'm gonna start coloring. The colors I am going to use are dark olive green, spring green, peach, green tea, and parchment. thank you guys for watching. I hope you had fun drawing with me. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!